to WBRZ News 2 at 4. Dermatologist Dr. Z is here today, and we're talking about your hands.
Yes.
There's this new product out.
Yes. Well, it's not new, but the indication for hands is new, and it's the only filler, derma filler, with indications FDA approved for revolumizing hands. And hands may not seem like a big issue when you're in your 30s or even in your 40s, but as you get into your 50s, 60s, and 70s, you lose the volume in our hands, and you start to be able to see the blood vessels and the tendons. And so hands in the olden days, women wore gloves all the time. So they aged beautifully, because the number one thing that ages hands is
the sun.
The sun. The sun. So, and here's some before and after. See, on the left, you can see the tendons and see some of the blood vessels, and on the right, not so much. And then here's another before and after. And these actually aren't as dramatic as some of the ones I've seen. And again, look at the one on the left, that before and after, that's amazing. And generally, you have to do this every 1 to 2 years.
Okay.
And it's a very simple procedure. It takes 15 minutes in the office. And there's another one. Actually, the before picture is on the right there, and the after picture is on the left. But you can see it just replaces the volume that we've lost over the decades.
It just looks a lot smoother.
Yes, a lot smoother. And not just daily activity, but driving in the car. If you can imagine, you're driving like this, your hands get the brunt of the sun. And here it is. If you can see, it's this white, thin, 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 and it's very soft.
And that just fills in
and I just
underneath
fill
the skin.
in the whole area. You can see, we can do that again. And
how much does this cost?
It costs $800 a syringe for one of these. Generally, it takes one per hand. And generally, when we do both hands, it's buy one, get one half off.
Okay.
So it's about $1,200, and you do it. I did my hands actually a few years ago because my son mentioned that my hands look like nanas, he said.
Oh, boy.
And so I did mine 2 years ago, and I still probably have another year or two before I need it replaced.
All right, Dr. Z, we also have a basket to give away.
Yes.
This is for caller number 10, 336-2321, 336-2321, caller number 10. You're watching WBRZ News 2 at 4. We'll be right back.
There's some